In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print 1099 from QuickBooks Online. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. From the left navigation, open Expenses, then choose Vendors. This is where your contractor profiles live, and it's the foundation for generating accurate 1099s, so it's a great place to begin. Next, start the filing workflow by clicking Prepare 1099s in the upper right. You select the correct tax year for the forms you're preparing. Remember, 1099s are based on the calendar year, and then click Continue. Picking the right year ensures the totals and form layout match what the IRS expects for that period. You'll be prompted to review your 1099 accounts. This is the mapping step where you tell QuickBooks which expense accounts should flow to which 1099 boxes. For most contractor payments, that's non-employee compensation. If you track other categories like rent or legal services, map those to their appropriate boxes as well. As a tip, payments made by credit card or third-party networks are typically reported by the processor and are excluded here. So focus on checks, cash, and direct bank payments. When your mapping looks right, click Next. Now verify vendor information. Confirm each contractor's legal name, address, and tax identification number match what you have on their W-9. If anything is missing or formatted incorrectly, open the vendor profile to fix it before proceeding. Ensuring the business type and TIN are correct prevents rejections and keeps your forms clean. When everything checks out, click Next. You'll see a summary of payment totals by contractor based on your mapping. Review these carefully. If something feels off, it's often due to a transaction coded to the wrong account. Open the source transaction, reclassify it, and refresh the totals here. When the numbers align with your records, click Next. You'll now choose how to file, e-file, or print and mail. For this walkthrough, select Print and Mail. Pick the contractors you want to print for and click Print 1099. QuickBooks will generate a PDF for you to download. Before you print, a few quick tips to get clean. Professional forms. Use official pre-printed 1099 forms for the copies that require them, and make sure the forms match the same tax year you selected. In your printer settings, set scaling to 100%, turn off fit to page, keep margins at default, and disable double-sided printing. Print a test on plain paper first, and hold it over a form to confirm alignment. Once everything lines up, print your final copies, keep a set for your records, and place each contract